How to fix unable to load videos on iPhone. Let's get started. If you're unable to load videos on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable, either on Wi-Fi or cellular data, by testing with another app or web page. Next, verify your iPhone storage under Settings, General iPhone Storage. Low storage can prevent videos from loading, especially if stored in iCloud. Disable low data mode under Settings, Cellular Data Options, or Wi-Fi settings, and ensure low power mode is off in Settings, Battery, as these modes can restrict video loading. Keeping your iOS updated is crucial. Check for updates in Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Restarting your iPhone can also fix temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button and volume button on certain models. Then slide to power off and restart. If the issue involves iCloud, sign out of iCloud under Settings, restart your device, and sign back in. For users with iCloud Photos enabled, ensure Download and Keep Originals is selected in Settings, Photos, and check for adequate storage space. If the Photos app is not loading videos, force quit the app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and relaunching it. As a last resort, resetting network settings under Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings may help, though you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks afterward. If the problem persists, perform a force restart based on your iPhone model. And if none of these steps work, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. At the end, if this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe.